Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use perspective grids in Affinity Studio. Now you can use that to achieve things like this. As you can see, this is a 3D cube. The first thing you need to do is come here at the top and click on view, click here on grid and axis, and what I want you to do is change from your mode, which is probably automatic or basic, into advanced, and then change the grid type to isometric, and then make sure you have toggled on create plane set. Now after you do this, you can choose what plane you want the perspective to be in right now. Different perspective grids. You can also use the cube right here and adjust it according to this. What I'll do, I'll go ahead and come back here to advanced. I'll use isometric and we'll have the first plane to be front. And then I'll just go ahead and close this. Now if I try to go ahead and draw a rectangle, you'll see that we are going to draw it from the front side of the cube. So this is what that would be. So what I want you to do is click here on fit to plane. And as you can see, we're actually able to use the perspective tool. Now we'll go ahead and just drag this one out. Now you can repeat the same process for this side. Just like this, we'll bring this here. We'll click on fit to plane and that would adjust it accordingly, and we can resize it as we want. Finally, we'll do that for the top as well. Just draw and fit to plane. Now we have other options as well that you can go ahead and use, and that is how to use perspective grids in Affinity Studio. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.